So I'm here at Relish on McDade Boulevard. You know, got me a sandwich on a seeded roll. I done ate most of it. You know, it's pretty good. And the root beer drink there. The chili dog was pretty good too. You know what I mean? At the Wu-Tang concert in Philly tonight, you know what I mean? Last show. Come on down and support, represent. The Wu-Tang Clan concert. I wanted to go, but everything didn't work out. It's cool though, because I got work tomorrow anyway, so. But I'm wearing my hat though to represent though, you know what I mean? You never know, I might just run down there, you know, you never know. But come on out to Relish though. The chicken tenders, the fries, good waffle fries. They got a lot of stuff on the menu, you know what I'm saying? You see a lot of people coming out now. You know? The root beer float is pretty good. You know? The regular root beer is good. Tastes homemade. Right on McDade Boulevard. Near Folkcroft. Put it in your GPS, you know what I mean? And come on down. So cheesesteaks, burgers, all that. All right, y'all. Peace. Leave them likes and comments. Subscribe to the channel.